Pantronics VisMin Corporation, in partnership with Panasonic, the renowned Japan-based multinational electronics company, proudly inaugurated its first ever Panasonic Grand Showroom, led by Panasonic and Pantronics executives in Cebu, on Saturday, November 23, 2024. Strategically located on the ground floor of Norkis Cyberpark, 𝗂𝗄 Fortuna, Mandaue City, this state-of-the-art showroom is the first of its kind in the Visayas and Mindanao region, showcasing Panasonic's full product range.
Our total solution showroom essentially is a one-stop shop for all things Panasonic, from lighting fixtures, outlets, and switches, CCTVs, fire detection alarm systems, to water heaters, door hardware, solar panels, air conditioning, ceiling fans, and television.
A guided tour of the Panasonic showroom was led by Panasonic's executives, country head Hiroshi Akiyama and marketing head 𝗀𝗫𝗁 𝗏𝑊𝑎TANABE, introducing what they can offer to the public. It also included the highly anticipated Smart Connections system set to launch next year. Panasonic's long-standing business solutions partner, Pantronics VisMin Corporation, promises convenience, accessibility, and quality service for both business clients and individual customers for all their needs, not only in Cebu but also to cater the growing market in the Visayas and Mindanao regions, setting them apart from other showrooms.
Unique value proposition that this showroom can provide to the market is it's a total solutions provider that is a one-stop shop that it offers across all Panasonic products. We're giving you, I think the word that I'm highlighting here is convenience to everyone, to the market, that you get in our store, you look around all products of Panasonic where it's just a one-stop shop. It's that convenient to find all Panasonic products below. So I think that's what separates us from the rest of the dealers, where if you go to other local shops, you can only find certain limited product categories.
The showroom might be in Cebu, but that doesn't mean that we are not committed to serving the rest of the provinces in Visayas and Mindanao. If I were to give you an answer. Of course, right now, syempre, we just opened our first showroom here in Cebu, pero we also cater to Visayas and Mindanao. And then hopefully, in the future, who knows, kung unsay depende sa dagan here, depende po sa needs. I think most likely opening some new store maybe down south siguro.
This has been 𝗄𝗶𝘁𝗶𝗃 Espinosa for MyTV Cebu.